NIBP monitoring. Before beginning monitoring, ensure the appropriate patient size is configured for your patient. Next, select a cuff size that matches the patient. Apply the cuff to the patient's upper arm or leg, and make sure the fine marking on the cuff matches the artery location. Connect the cuff to the air tubing. Insert the other end of the air tubing into the side of the defibrillator. Touch on the NIBP numeric area to open the NIBP setup screen. SpO2 monitoring. To start SpO2 monitoring, place the sensor on the patient's finger. Connect the sensor to the SpO2 cable by first ensuring the latch is open. After making the connection, be sure to securely close the latch. Insert the other end of the SpO2 cable into the side of the defibrillator as shown. Touch the SpO2 waveform area to enter the SpO2 setup screen. Here you can adjust alarm limits and other SpO2 related settings. Sidestream CO2 monitoring. Ensure that the CO2 adapter is inserted into the side of the defibrillator. Insert the filter line and turn it clockwise until it's fully seated. The CO2 waveform and numeric will display on the screen. As with the NIBP and SpO2, touching the CO2 waveform area will open the setup screen. ECG monitoring. Make sure the ECG cable is connected to the defibrillator. Touching the ECG waveform or numeric will open the setup screen, where you can make adjustments to the settings. You can also do the same for ST, again being able to make setup changes and adjust the ST configuration. You can change to the ST view. Set the baseline and enter the ST graphic display. You can also configure QD in a similar way. Enter the QD view and set the baseline. Lead analysis function. Click on the 12 lead button in the functional area to access the 12 lead analysis interface. If the Glasgow algorithm is configured, click on the Analyze button to provide a resting 12 lead ECG analysis function. Press Confirm to accept the patient demographic information. You can scroll left and right and up or down to review the 12 lead waveforms. You can also print a hard copy record. You can set parameters and alarm limits by clicking on the corresponding parameters and waveforms on the screen. For example, you can set alarm limits. Alarm priorities, and select the displayed ECG lead. Click on Main menu. Display. Screen Setup to select the interface. Set parameter layout. And turn parameters on or off. Click on the functional area at the bottom of the screen to quickly access the corresponding functions for diagnosis and treatment. Parameters Setup. Click the main menu to perform parameters setup, such as volume. Alarm limit. And screen brightness. It is recommended to use auto, and the device will perform brightness according to the external ambient brightness.